Super cute. 2 houses on 1 lot in Woodland Hills. Nice garden here. Avocado tree. Long driveway with a gate on that side. This is the front house. Very peaceful. Enter here. First bedroom on the right. Good size here. Nice barn door closet. Second bedroom on the right. Textured paint. Raised ceilings. Recessed lights. Barn door closet. Hallway bathroom. Very peaceful. Nice colors. There's a linen closet behind the door. Cool tiles on the floor. Love the parquet floors here. Primary bedroom with nice wall sconces and an ensuite bathroom. Really cool. Frameless glass shower. Primary closet. Textured paint. Nice decor. There's the living area. Recessed lights. Lots of natural light here. Really cool floors. Dining area. Nicely refinished cabinets with cool pulls. Really nice galley kitchen here. Super cute. Check out the backyard and the second unit. Really peaceful place to hang out. Nice pavers here. Olive tree. Here's the second unit. Nice studio with a mini split AC system. Great wall lighting there. Nice bathroom here. What does this lead to? Oh, look at that, a water closet inside. Really nice.
No, it's outside.
Here is the galley kitchen in the second unit with a little skylight. Super cute place to hang out. Have a guest or a family member stay. Or rent it out if that's what you like. Full fireplace. Very, very attractive. Nice turf. Low maintenance. Love the tiki style here with a tankless water heater. Extra storage space there. Next to the finished garage. Really nice finished garage. Really, really nice. And got a nice long driveway. Plenty of space for 4 cars. What an amazing property. Very special in this neighborhood. If you have any questions or would like to see something similar or a video of a similar property, please let me know in the comments below. Give me a like and a share if you like it. Thanks so much.